At SSI, the end user, be it a modeler, manager, or owner, drives our initiative to both improve on existing features as well as developing new tools designed to improve efficiency while modeling. The Nexus Wishlist is a big part of this process, and with the SSI 2024 R1.1 release, we have taken the suggestions to improve bulk editing of clash statuses and made it a reality. Previous versions of the clash checking system required individual clash statuses to be modified on a per-item basis, and with complex projects proved to be a time-consuming workflow. With the 2024 R1.1 release, modelers and checkers can now make bulk edits to clash status attributes for as many clash objects as is necessary. This means more time is spent resolving the clashes and modeling, and less time is spent changing each item. In our ongoing effort to modernize the clash detection workflow within the modern model-based environment, the ability to model, check for clashes, and then mark the statuses once resolved means large numbers of clash objects can simply be removed, resolved, and dealt with in a much more efficient manner, saving time for all stakeholders. SSI is committed to not only listening to feedback, but implementing those requested changes into the development of cutting-edge shipbuilding tools that can give your organization the edge in today's competitive shipbuilding markets. View the SSI 2024 R1.1 release and all other ShipConstructor tools now available at SSI Nexus today.